Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today I'm taking you on a journey to one of the most breathtaking spots in Bangladesh, Sajek Valley. Imagine a place where the hills touch the sky and the clouds are your constant companions. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's real and it's waiting for you. Sajek Valley is often dubbed as the Queen of Hills, and for good reason. Nestled in the Rangamati district, this gem is about 2,000 feet above sea level, offering panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. The journey to Sajek itself is an adventure, with winding roads cutting through dense forests. Every twist and turn teases you with glimpses of what's to come. Now let's talk about the heart of Sajek Valley, the Army Helipad. This spot is not just a strategic point, but also a prime location for visitors to soak in the 360-degree vistas. Standing here, you can watch the sunset behind the hills, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's a view that will etch itself into your memory forever. And oh, the shops. At the top of the hill, you'll find a bustling market area brimming with local crafts and delicacies. From handcrafted souvenirs to mouth-watering snacks, there's something for everyone. The energy here is infectious, with friendly locals eager to share their stories and traditions. Speaking of accommodations, the Sajek Resort is your go-to place to rest and recharge. The cottages here are cozy, offering stunning views right from your window. Waking up to the sight of mist-covered hills is an experience that words can't do justice to. For the more adventurous souls, there are plenty of hiking trails to explore. Each trail offers a unique perspective of Sajek Valley, from dense forests to open meadows. Keep your eyes peeled for exotic wildlife. You might just spot a rare bird or two, and let's not forget the local cuisine. The traditional bamboo chicken is a must-try. Cooked in bamboo tubes, this dish is a burst of flavors that perfectly complements the crisp mountain air. So, whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or just someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle, Sajek Valley has something for you. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to truly connect with nature and yourself. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore this hidden gem in the hills. Sajek Valley is calling, and trust me, it's a trip you won't regret. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and let the world be your playground. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Safe travels, everyone!